My name is Jacob Zoll, and this is a brand new project. Just completed it. It is developing a 2D platformer in Game Maker Studio 1.4, and we are going to develop this within about 3 to 4 hours. It's going to be 3 sessions worth of information, and it goes from the first session starts off a little slow, builds up. Second session, a lot of progress done. In the third session, there's a lot more progress done. This isn't a full-fledged game by any means. But it is definitely the base mechanics for you to start your own adventure game. Or your own platformer game, my bad. Now, I will probably start to continue this development into an actual game of some sort, but I'm not 100% sure. You can download the project resources right here, so you can work along with the videos, or you can mess with it yourself and test some things out within the videos, or if you just want to see what we accomplished. So, we're going to go into the sessions here. First of all you really need is Canva and Game Maker Studio. You don't even really need Canva. But it's a helpful design tool, two-dimensional design tool that I use a lot for my games. You don't need it. Like I said, I used it for text entirely in this game, so you really don't need it, but it was very helpful. It was very easy to use. Little irritating parts about it sometimes, but it's very easy for the most part. So session 1, just like all my other videos, they're very simple. Just the basic foundation of the game. Controls, gravity, first level, that sort of thing. And that takes about 40 minutes. Session 2, animations and enemies. This is where things get interesting. We start adding animations for the main character from opengameart.org. We'll go into that more in the videos. Collision events, we're going to add some if-then statements about collisions. Enemies, as well as some blood splatter. It's very interesting how that's designed in this game. In the third session, bug fixes, sound effects, and teleporting. So we're going to be fixing bugs, obviously. We're going to be trying to fix the gravity, and you'll see what happens from there. Adding a teleportation method, and then we're also adding sound effects. So it's a very simple process, but it's very surreal, actually, looking at the project when it first starts and when it ends, because it looks like a very different game, and it looks pretty good. But I'm a little biased, so I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.